In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find critical path in Smartsheet. The critical path is the chain of tasks that directly determines your project's finish date. If any task on that chain slips, your end date moves. Turning it on in Smartsheet gives you an instant visual of what truly cannot be delayed. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, open the project sheet you want to analyze. You'll land in the sheet in its default view. To make the critical path visible, you'll want to work in the timeline, so look for the view selector near the top and open the dropdown. Choose the Gantt view. This adds the familiar bars and dates to the right of your grid and is where critical path highlighting appears. Next, find the settings icon, the small gear near the top of the sheet. Open it to access the project settings. In this panel, turn on dependencies. This step is essential. Dependencies enable duration, start and finish calculations, and the predecessors column behind the scenes. Without them, Smartsheet can't map how tasks connect, and it won't be able to calculate a critical path. After enabling dependencies, click OK to confirm. If you see a second confirmation or settings prompt, click OK again to save and return to your sheet. Back in the Gantt view, look again near the settings icon and choose Show Critical Path. The moment you enable it, Smartsheet evaluates your task network and highlights the longest must not slip chain of tasks directly on the Gantt chart. Typically, those bars appear in a distinct color so they stand out from non-critical work. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Critical path relies on good data. Your tasks should have durations or start and finish dates, and most importantly, predecessors that link tasks in the order they must occur. If you turn on critical path and nothing highlights, check that dependencies are enabled and that tasks are actually connected. Summary rows aren't themselves part of the critical path, so look at the individual child tasks. Also remember that constraints, lags, and non-working days affect the calculation. What looks non-critical today can become critical if Slack is consumed by schedule changes. That's all it takes. Open your project, switch to Gantt view, enable dependencies and settings, confirm, and then toggle Show Critical Path. With this on, you can focus your attention and resources where they matter most to protect your delivery date. If you found this helpful, follow the same steps whenever you spin up a new project to make critical path part of your standard planning routine.